first thing you have to do in order to hard reset any Samsung device of your choice is to power off the device. That is the first thing you have to do. Power the device off completely. Give it few seconds to completely turn off. On your screen, you can clearly see that the device has been turned off completely. So the next thing you have to do is to locate your volume up key. This is the volume up key, the center key, and as well as the power key. That is the three keys you are to concentrate on. When you press the three key, you see that you will be able to unlock your locked Samsung mobile phone of your choice. Don't forget that I told you the three keys you need to hard reset this device, which is the Samsung mobile phone, is the volume up key, the center key, and the power key. So you need to focus on the three keys I just mentioned right away. Volume up key, the center key, and the power key. You see that when you press the three key, when you press the three keys, when you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release it. Press the three keys together. Release the three keys when you see the Samsung logo on your screen or on your mobile device. Wait for a few seconds in order to bring up or to step up the hard resetting menu, which will help us to hard reset the device in a jiffy. So this is the hard reset menu. The hard reset menu comprises of all this list. What you have to do is to use your volume down key to navigate to the option we will take right away. First of all, take your cursor or take your volume down key to wipe cache partition. This is to enable the process go smoothly or to go fast. Use your power key to select this option. Use your volume down key to take you to yes. Use your power key again to select the process to kickstart by wiping the cache of the phone, the cache partition of the phone. As you can see on your screen, you see that the cache wiping on the phone has been completed successfully. So the next thing we have to do is to use the volume down key again to wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your power key again to select because it stands as the master key while or during this hard resetting process. Use your power key to select the wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your volume down key to select yes. So since the volume up key or the volume down key rather has helped us to select yes, press on your power key again to start the hard resetting process. Check the down part of your screen to check or to know if the hard resetting process has been completed. As you can see, data wipe complete, set factory reset done, data wipe complete. So that means we are uh, we are far deep into the hard resetting process. So the next thing we have to do is to consider rebooting the device. So check the first menu or the first option in this menu is reboot system now. So use your power key to select reboot system now to kickstart or to complete the hard resetting process of any unlocked or any locked Samsung device of your choice. Any locked Samsung device, press the power key to reboot the device. If you check the menu, you see that we are still having a drop down information verifying DM verify. So the DM verify has been completed. So let's give it some few seconds to finish the hard resetting process.